how to find your shared drive and how to upload and create files in the shared drive. When you get to drive.google.com, you're going to get to a page that says home. Don't do anything yet. You're not in the shared drive. You're in a personal drive of stuff that has been shared with you, that you've worked on, or only you can see. Do not start uploading files yet. Don't create anything new. Don't do anything. However, the easiest way, if you do start creating a file and then you realize, oh, I'm not in the shared drive, is gonna be, you're gonna hit more, you're gonna go organize, you're gonna hit move, it's gonna load, you're gonna go all locations, go shared drive, you'll find the shared drive that you wanna put it into, and find the folder, and then just keep doing it till you find the folder where you want to move the file. Exit out of that. So again, don't start uploading when you're on the home screen or on the My Drive screen. Where you want to start uploading is when you go down to Shared Drive and click the shared drive you want to upload the file to or the folder to, and then do it. Next, what you're going to do is go to Shared Drive, not My Drive. You're going to go Shared Drive. And then the drive should come up, whatever the name is. You'll click on it, and all of this, all your folders will appear that's in the shared drive. Now, if you want to create a new folder, all you have to do is go New Folder. Or if you want to create a new file, let's say a new Word document or a new spreadsheet or a new PowerPoint, new, and all of the Google stuff is right here. Even Google Forms for like employee questionnaires or maybe even customer questionnaires, whatever you want to use it for. All right, next, what you're going to want to do for uploading files in folders is again using the new, and you can hit file upload or folder upload. Or you can just drag it from wherever it is. You can just find the folder or the file you're looking for and just drag it onto the screen. Like, let's just go here, and boom. It'll upload, wait till it says upload complete, and you've got it. And I'm gonna get that out of the way. That is how to find your shared drive and create files and folders and upload files and folders. And you can also just drag folders into the screen if you don't want to do new and folder upload. The last important thing to note is when you do create a new file, the easiest way to have it in the folder where you want it to be is before you even hit new, go ahead and go to the folder that you want it into. So if you just want it, I'm just going to stick in this folder, I'd hit new, I'd go to Google Docs or create whatever file I want, and then when I'm done with it, I don't even have to make sure it's saved in the right folder because I was in this file when I created it. Therefore, that's where it's going to be saved.